Ready to unlock the secrets to finding Redfin's hottest properties before anyone else? First, head over to Redfin.com. We're diving deep into their features to uncover those hidden gems. Start by entering your desired city or neighborhood in the search bar. This is where you want to focus your property hunting. Now, click on Filters. This is where the magic happens. We need to refine our search to pinpoint those hidden properties. Look for the sort option, usually located at the top right. Click the drop-down and select Hotness. This will reorder listings based on Redfin's algorithm for popularity. Next, check the recently added box. This ensures you're seeing the freshest listings, giving you a jump on the competition. Set the days on Redfin filter to a short time frame, like 7 days or less. Hot properties don't stay on the market long. Pay close attention to the Redfin estimate and how it compares to the listing price. A price significantly below the estimate could signal a great deal, but always do your own due diligence. On each listing, look for the number of views and saves. A high number suggests strong interest from other buyers. Be proactive. Check Redfin multiple times a day, especially during weekdays, as new listings often appear then. By using these Redfin strategies, you'll be well on your way to finding hot properties, securing lucrative investments, and landing your dream home. Happy house hunting!